Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, we are looking at Dixie on a daily time frame, and it is charging on up. We're already at the 200 EMA on a daily time frame, and today, if we claim it, we still have 2 more days for the rest of the week to see if we get to that 105, 106 level. So keep in mind that as we are trudging into this, if we get a hard rejection, then I could see us still consolidating in this triangle pattern. I would actually remove this triangle pattern now, and I don't even think it's going to consolidate that low. I would just use this white one now. So if we come back and get rejected, I would be using 103 as support, letting it grind out that 103 and then come back above that 200 and claim that. What we need to do is close above that 103.75 today on a daily close and look for continuation up as that occurs, trying to basically get into this new high locally, trying to break that high. And if we get rejected after 200, I'm looking for the support at the 103. Worst case scenario, 102.50. Losing the 102.50 means that this is going to be a succession of lower highs, and we can come and grind right back down into that 101 level and come in for another test of this support before trying once more again. Today, the Fed meeting minutes will come out. More than likely, they're going to be talking about how they're putting a pause on rate hikes until the next meeting to see how everything progresses. So that will probably give us a little bit of flighty floating action on a lot of stuff. If Dixie is rising, Bitcoin and ETH will obviously get its resistance and then testing lower into its support, as well as tech stocks. So you can see this is already rising on the daily. Let's go to Bitcoin. And you can see Bitcoin is now grinding out its little level of support here at the 26.7. Oops. 26.7, and if we lose this 26.7 on a 4-hour open and close, I would be looking for 26,300 first, at 26,000 even, and then after that the psychological 25K as a level of support. Once we lose that on a daily close, things will get much more detrimental, where we will be using 25K as a level of resistance and probably be looking to test into the lower support of 22,000-ish. So be ready for that move to come if that comes. I don't want anyone shocked because of all the money that's been um, spent in this area will probably cause a fast move down, just like this fast move up that we had. You get a fast move down. And yeah, it's not going to be pretty. So be ready. On a 4-hour time scale, Delta tells us anything. Well, it's saying look lower. Delta is getting pretty aggressive to the downside. And if we lose this level of support here, we will flush down much, much lower. Here's your little head and shoulder Quasimodo thing here as well. So on a 4-hour time frame, Delta is saying that it wants lower. And that means like at least 26.3 and then maybe 25. So be aware of this moving forward, guys. It's kind of in a dangerous situation for the mid of the week. And I was looking for a reversal, but I'm not sure that we're going to get a midweek reversal today. So keep that in mind. Let's go take a quick look at ETH on a weekly. ETH on a weekly also looks interesting. Cumulative Delta is actually holding somewhat together for the daily. Um, but you're making lower and lower highs, and that's a bearish engulfing candle on today's daily. This does not look good. I mean, why we wouldn't test into 1770 and then possibly 1700 is beyond me, but that is kind of what we're looking at right now. The second you lose this 1810 on a 4-hour open and close, I would be looking for that 1770 to the downside. If you don't lose at 1810 and you get opportunity to break up to the 1880, 1880 would be the next level I was going to try to short, and that was your opportunity yesterday. If you didn't take that short at 1880, well, now you're going to be looking for a long, probably like around here somewhere, like 1640, 1650. So that is very unfortunate that we did not get that breakout of support. We grinded lower and lower and lower highs, and this was the last like opportunity of a long scalp. And now you're looking to basically flush that liquidity out to the downside. So yeah, nothing too much to say other than we're just grinding sideways, and the range is so tight that like losing 1810 will be very bad move to the downside. Holding it, I mean, you have an opportunity to get to 1845, 1850, but I'm still looking at a rollover possibility. So not good news as of right now. I would be patient for the Fed news to come out. I would think that we would test the range on both sides. So anyone who's trapped locally might be having an opportunity to get out. And aside from that, if Dixie starts pulling back, it will give us an opportunity to take some of that liquidity to the top side. Because this is like a little bit of a, you know, grinding bottom of support where people probably accumulated a little bit hoping for an upside pop, so maybe they'll get that. But aside from that, guys, if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend for the channel. Aside from that, guys, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day and be safe.